So today I went to Showcase and saw these adorable Winnie the Pooh mystery boxes and little Nommi mystery boxes. I've loved Winnie the Pooh ever since I was a little kid, so obviously I wanted those. But these little Nommis, at least I think that's how you pronounce it, Nommi. I saw James Welsh open a bunch of these, and I think these are way cuter than Labubus or those little naked baby Sonny Angels or whatever they're called. I think these are way cuter. They can you can roll their eyes and have different eye settings. I think their outfits are way cuter. I would be happy with any of these. I'm not a Labubu girl, but I might be a Nommi girl. So I'm going to open these, and then the Winnie the Poohs I love so much. I would be super happy if I got Eeyore or the cow. Honestly, the chipmunk's cute too, and Roo I think is cute, like the little kangaroo right here. So Eeyore, Roo, the cow, or the chipmunk. But all of them are super cute. I would not be mad about any of these. And that's why, when I see people doing Labubu hauls, and they're like, I only want this, I'd be disappointed if I got this. It's like, for the price you're freaking paying? I'm in Canada, so I got these at Showcase store. We don't have Pop Mart in Canada. And these, I don't want to say the price, in case my fiance or anyone's watching. These were $50. And these were, I think 30 or 40, I forget. But they had the Coca-Cola Labubus for $150 each. So I'll take a little Nommi cute little thing any day. So I'll start with the Winnie the Poohs. And look, it says they're from I kept going to Miniso in Canada. And I kept looking for these over and over and over again. And I could not find them. So I don't know if they're just at Miniso in China or Korea or Japan. Where are these from actually? I don't know if it says. Anyway. Manufactured for Miniso Hong Kong. So yeah, Miniso Canada was not having these. I'm going to try not to bring out a sticker in case there's a sticker. I think this happy face, little winky face is Miniso's thing. Oh, I got the little ram. And I love its little face. It's like, ooh, cuckoo, cachoo, I am the Lizard King. Oh, that's cute. I'm probably not going to put them on a purse. I'm going to keep them with all my stuffed animals in my office. That's cute. I like the little ram horns. I love his little face. Okay, I'm happy about that one. I mean, like I said, I'd be happy about any of them. Because they're all cute. I hear something jingling. Oh, there's a bell on this one. Hear it? I don't know even which one that would be. Oh, this is the bottom. Let's just the end of this. Oh, the little cow. Oh my god. Oh, shit. It's stuck in his hairline. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I gotta be careful about the hairline. Okay. Look at this face. It's so cute. It's got the little bell. That's so cute. Oh my god. I love him. His little horns. Oh, so freaking precious. I know for a fact my sister's going to want to steal these from me. Oh, so I guess the card is... Okay, so it was like this on the front of the thing. So if you open it and look inside, that's where you would have seen what it was. Okay, so I'll put these guys over here. And I'll open this one. These guys can watch on. So this This is Nommi #1. And I swear to God, I don't want to absolutely fall in love with these because, like the Labubus driving everyone crazy, I will go frickin' poor. Oh, that was a bad tear. There we go. Oh, look at her little face. See and watch. Watch the eyes. She's got these big eyes. Look how cute. Hello, can you focus? No? Okay, whatever. These are the eyes that it started with. And then look at this little, oh my God, focus. Whatever. That's so cute. I feel like the body needs to be mushed. She's kind of at a weird, oh, did I just like crack? Oh, her arms like articulate. Okay. I thought I cracked her or something, but yeah. She needs to go to the chiropractor. And look at her little bear face. That's so cute. Okay, love. Nommi #2. I'm like, look how cute even this logo is. So freaking adorable. Cuteness aggression times a million. Loveliness never ends. Sorry, that was really bad. Oh, the black one. Oh my God, so cute. Look at the little cats on her cheeks. Can my phone focus? Again, no. Okay, and then her eyes start out like this. And then you got like this little pinky one. Oh, that one's got little cats in her pupils, or irises, sorry. And then this like little, oh my gosh, so cute. This arm seems a little short. I'm trying to like articulate it, but see this one stops like here, and this one, the articulation is all the way out to the end. So this arm is gonna be harder to manipulate. Oh, and then look, there's a little pink embroidered cat face. That's so cute. So yeah, I'm happy with all of my purchases. I probably will never do it again because for these 4, again, close your ears if you're my family and you don't want to hear how stupidly expensive I spent on these things. These 4 were like $150, although it was buy 3, get 1 free at Showcase. So I paid, so it was like, maybe these were 40. Because it was like 50, 50, 40 plus tax was 150. And then so I got one of the Winnies for free. So yeah, if you're in Canada and you want to get a cute Nommi or a cute Winnie, or if you want to spend $150, I think the cheapest one is like, I think she said 80 to 100. So if you want to spend $100 to $180 or 50 or whatever, on a Labubu, or if you want to get a cuter Nommi, go to Showcase. And that's my haul. So thanks. Have fun. Bye.